Get him up, get him up, get him up. Knees up, get him as high as you can, but switch. Don't drop the feet down whenever you're ready. Get there, get there. Ooh, not bad. Feel him dropping your feet. Keep those feet up. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Ooh. When you're ready. Good. That's a little bad. Good. Think you got the knees up as high as you can? You're ready. What do you think? When you're ready. Get him up, get him up, keep up, get him up. That wasn't bad. When you're ready. Oh! Nice, nice. Now that, when you're ready. Don't bring that hand above your chest. We'll work on that. Alright. When you're ready. Don't lean forward, don't lean forward. Just a quick step to get yourself in position. Get the knee up. So you kind of lean forward whenever you're ready. Get there, get there, get there, get there. When you're ready. Get past her. Get up, get up, get up. Ooh. When you're ready. Come on, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, oh, oh. When you're ready. When you're ready.